Delta tool. Inventions for a better life.
Repair kit for broken or damaged cupboard and wardrobe hinges. Remove the torn-off cup hinge. Drill the holes to a depth of approximately 10 mm using a 10 mm drill bit. Remove the protective film from the repair plate and place it on the drill holes. The repair plate fits all cabinets with 32 and 27 mm hole spacing to the cabinet edge. Then screw the repair plate in place. Now fit the cup hinge to the cupboard and door. Now tighten the wood screws. Your hinge is now working again. In the video description you will find the link to purchase the repair plate.
Delta tool. Inventions for a better life.